Lion's Lullaby by Midge Kelly and Holly Clifton Brown. At the end of the day, at the start of the night, when the earth is half dark, when the sky is half light, who puts the animals to bed? Who helps the cat down from the shed? Who finds the bear that went astray and quiets the dog that wants to play? Who picks the downy duckling up and smooths the yawning sea lion pup? Who blows the crocodile a kiss and asks the snake, please, not to hiss? Tells the elephant to close his eyes and sings the lion a lullaby. When Tawny Owl goes wit-to-woo, who whispers hush? Oh, tell me, who strokes the tired old tiger's head? Who puts the animals to bed? Is it you? Is it you? Well, snuggle down too, with your lion and your bear, or your kangaroo. With rabbit and monkey, pigeon and dog, gorilla and turtle, or maybe with frog. Give them all a big hug and turn down the light. And with the whole wide, wild world, sleep in peace for the night. The end.